Today we learn about Guru Nanak Jayanti. We also understand the history, significance and importance of Guru Parab. What is the history and significance of Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Know more about the history and significance of Guru Parab. When is Guru Parab celebrated? According to the lunar calendar, the date of Guru Nanak Jayanti or Guru Parab varies from year to year. This year it is being celebrated on November 19, 2021. What is the history and significance of Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 15th April 1469 in Rai Bhoidi Talwandi, now Nankana Sahib in Pakistan near Lahore. He was the first Guru of the Sikhs and founder of Sikh faith. He is regarded as a messenger of God, an enlightened teacher, and a champion of human dignity. His teachings were expressed through devotional hymns stressed salvation from rebirth. There is a famous hymn, Satguru Nanak Pragatiya Mitti Dhund Jaj Chan Hoya, which means a divine teachers Nanak has taken holy birth and a great fog is lifted and the world is bathed in divine light. This year the 552nd birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji will be observed on November 19th. Guru Parab is one of most important festivals in Sikhism and is celebrated across the world as per Sikh. Guru Nanak Dev Ji brought enlightenment to this world. Guru Nanak Jayanti is also known as Guru Nanak's Prakash Utsav and Guru Nanak Guru Parab. On 15th April 1469, Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born at Rai Bhoidi Talwandi. To know about the biography of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he was born on 15th April 1469. His father's name is Mehta Kalu. His mother's name was Mata Tripta. His spouse's name is Mata Sulkhni. The children of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. He is famous as a founder of Sikhism, first Guru of 10th Sikh Gurus. He got died in 1539. Place of death is Kartarpur, now in Pakistan. Resting place Gurudwara Place, Sahib Kartarpur, Pakistan. His father belongs to a subcaste of mercantile Khatri caste. He married Khatri's daughter and had 2 sons. His method of teachings and his way of devotion to the Almighty were different from others, and people of all religions respect him. When everyone was focusing on spreading their religion, he was the one who spread the message of humanity and mankind. He focused on the rights of women and equality. His teachings were passed to the further generation through this successor and were included in Sri Guru Sahib. It is a Guru Granth Sahib. It is a holy book of Sikhs and consists of all the teaching of Sikh Gurus and other spiritual leaders also. One of the most famous teachings attributed to the Guru Nanak Dev Ji is that there is only one God and all human beings can have direct access to God. He denounced the caste system. He focused on Kirat Karo and Band Sakho, that is, earn an honest living without exploitation or fraud, and share without others. Help those who are in need so you may eat together respectively. Guru Nanak Jayanti celebrations. The celebrations of the day began in the early morning with a Prabhat Fairies at Gurudwara 2 days prior to Guru Nanak Jayanti. Akhand Path or 48 hours non-stop reading of the Guru Granth Sahib is held in Gurudwara. A procession name is Nagar Kirtan is also organized one day prior to Guru Parab and led by the Panch Paryas. Leaders spread the message of Guru Nanak Dev Ji on the day of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Devotees sing hymns and recite Katha. There is followed by community lunch or a langar that is arranged by volunteers at Gurudwara. The inspirational sayings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji includes: speak only which will bring you honor, burn worldly love, rub and ashes and make ink of it, make the heart, the pen, the intellect and the writer, write that which has no end or limit. I am neither male nor female, nor am I sexless. I am the peaceful one, whose form is a self-effulgent, powerful radiance. The world is a drama, stacked in a dream. Let no man in the world live in delusion. Without a guru, none can cross over to the shore. Death would not be called bad. Zero people if no one knew how to truly die. What should the yogi have to fear? Trees, plant and all that is inside and outside is he himself. Dwell in peace in the home of your own being, and the messenger of death will not be able to touch you. If the people use the wealth bestowed on them by God for themselves alone or for treasuring it, it is like a corpse. But if they decide to share it with others, it becomes sacred food. Your mercy is my social status. Thank you.